Hey everybody, are you ready to grow an amaryllis? Before planting, put the bulb in warm water for an hour. Pour 2.5 cups of warm water on a peat pod. Mix it up. Plant the bulb 2/3 in the growth mix. Keep the neck 1/3 above the mix. Transplant your bulb to a larger pot if the roots need more space. And don't add water until the bulb starts to appear. Place the pot in a warm place with plenty of sunlight. Stop the stem from leaning to the light by changing the direction of the plant. Oh, wow. When the flower blooms, keep it out direct sunlight to prolong the flowering period. Prune your flower so it will rebloom next year. Remove each flower as it fades, but don't cut the leaves. Clean your scissors. You don't want to prune with dirty scissors. Use your scissors to prune the flower at the top of the stalk. The amaryllis will grow leaves to help the plant next year. Cut the stalk 1 to 2 inches from the bulb. Timber! Now just treat it like a regular house plant and it will grow next year.